Okay, so there it goes, slowly but surely. A fat boy with a new name, the aficionado. Get it? Fish? Sionado. Let's see the bottom paint. Huh. Doesn't look bad. Yeah, it's got some blisters. I can see one big one there. That one already popped. So we're gonna paint it with Trinidad by Pettit, and then we're going to that's a hard paint. It lasts about 5-6 years, and then we're going to paint the sides with an ablative. That was the discussion, so we'll see what we finally do. And I'm gonna take care of the undercarriage. I'm gonna paint the shafts and the props, clean the stabilizers, and the rudders, and then work on the swim platform. Okay, the crane is turning. Oh yeah, it needs some work, definitely. It hasn't been out of the water in 9 years. So I see a lot of blisters there in the front. I think that's gonna cost me some extra money. So now they're gonna set it on some blocks and then power wash it, and then take it to the cradle. All right, later. Well, let me see. Let me take a little bit more. It's gonna sit it right in the middle. The paint that I have now, according to the diver, is an ablative. It's a type of paint that kind of washes off as you drive. The harder you drive, the more it washes off. It makes it slimy, so it slides through the water. But it doesn't last only 2 years. And I think this boat, the hard paint is the blue, the dark blue, the light paint is the ablative, which is almost gone. All right.